In this video, let's see how to filter email analytics data by various time ranges and custom dates. Click on the email option in the navigation bar. Expand the email section in the navigation bar and select Analytics. Select Last Week from the drop-down menu in the Analytics section. Choose Last 24 Hours from the drop-down menu to filter the analytics data. The analytics data is now displaying the statistics for the last 24 hours. Click on the drop-down menu and select Last Week to filter the email analytics. The email analytics data is now displaying the statistics for last week. Click on the drop-down menu and select Last 15 Days to filter the email analytics. The email analytics data is now displaying the statistics for last 15 days. Click on the drop-down menu and select Last 30 Days to filter the email analytics. Click on the Last 30 Days drop-down menu to view different time range options for email analytics. Select Last Year from the drop-down menu to filter the email analytics data for the past year. Toggle the Custom Filter switch to enable custom date range selection for email analytics. Choose a custom date range by clicking on the date picker and selecting the start and end dates for email analytics. Navigate to the previous month in the date picker. Select the start date and end date in the date picker. Toggle the custom filter switch off.